Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up multiple signatures for different contexts in Gmail. Let's add that personal touch to your emails. To start, open your Gmail inbox. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon here. Click on it and then choose See All Settings. Now navigate to the General tab in Settings here. We're already here. And then scroll down until you find the signature section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Create New button to make a new signature. And then give your signature a name that helps you remember its purpose. Then, in the signature box, craft your message. You can format the text, add images, and even links. So this is where your creativity shines. So I will add a simple text only. So Gmail lets you set up different signatures for different contexts. Use the drop-down menu next to No Signature to choose which email address or context the signature should appear for. So there. And once you're happy with your signature, scroll down and hit Save Changes. From now on, when you compose an email, you can select the perfect signature for that specific context. And that's it. You now know how to set up multiple signatures for different contexts in Gmail. Adding personal and professional touches to your emails has never been easier. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to set up multiple signatures in Gmail. See you on my next video.